Just looking at this truck, you can tell this is made for adventure, but yet still looks cool, slick, modern, and is a bit of a beast.
So we're very excited to get this car and be able to have a look at all the options and what we've actually got to play with, because we're going to be travelling around Malaysian Borneo over the next 10 to 12 weeks. With standard, this car can go through 80 centimetres of water, but with the lift and the snorkel, we should be fine whatever we go through. As we don't really know what we're going to face, we're grateful for the extra fuel tanks that we can carry, and also it has a swing rack for an extra tyre.
It's got plenty of secure storage in the back and it's been fitted with a rooftop tent. So if we can't find anywhere to stay, we've got accommodation with us. You also have the option to fit a winch. This one's got a winch, but if we have to use that, we might have taken a wrong turn.
Well, that handle was very helpful for me, being a shorty, to get in. Let's adjust the seat. This is very comfy. And to adjust, everything's electric, which is really helpful when you're driving, if you need to get comfy.
And I'm actually 6'3", or 187, and I have absolutely loads of legroom.
That's got to be
which is unusual in a vehicle. There's also got two glove compartments here, one there and one there. I'm loving the cup holder on each side. That's very handy. But I have to say, it's very hot, and the good thing is we've discovered the aircon. So the aircon's got the standard fan up and down, but this also has an individual control for the driver's side and the passenger side. So if I'm feeling particularly hot, I can cool mine down and Marianne's can stay warmer. So as a navigator, I'm very happy to see this big display screen. Just by turning on your Bluetooth, we can get Marianne's phone connected and the map displayed. If you're anything like us, we often forget our charging cable for our phone, but it's not a problem in this vehicle because at the front there's this little tray, and by putting your phone in at the touch of a button, it does wireless charging. I also love all these buttons in the middle here. So we've got a special rough terrain mode. Then there's the diff lock, and at a simple turn you can put your four-wheel drive on. And this button here controls a steep descent on a mud road. And at the click of a button here, we've got cameras all the way around the car, which means I don't have to jump out and give Marianne directions.
I'm liking that I can control the radio volume right here without having to worry about going over here. There's cruise control, which is going to be really good on the Pan Borneo highway.